Hi, welcome to the world of Preethi mixer grinders, a world filled with amazing kitchen experiences. Today I am going to present to you Preethi Mystic mixer grinder in its complete glory. So, let's get started. Preethi Mystic comes with 3 stainless steel jars with specially designed blades for a variety of mixing and grinding applications. But most importantly, Preethi believes in making the grinding process safe as well. That's why Preethi follows the triple safety mechanism. The first safety feature is a secure jar lock that ensures the mixer grinder does not switch on until the jar fits into the base unit. All the jars have a secure lid lock. So if the jar and lid are not locked properly, the mixer grinder will not function. Finally, in case of an overload, you can press the safety switch using a pointed object to resume grinding. Let's check out the more interesting features of this mixer grinder. Let's start with dry grinding. Preethi's Mystic is powered by Vega W5 750 watt motor, which can grind the toughest of ingredients like turmeric into fine powder in just 2 minutes. In fact, grinding spices such as baharat and zatar becomes child's play with this mixer grinder. Let's move on. It's now time for some wet grinding. Let's start with hummus. Pour the soaked chickpeas into the jar along with some water. It takes just a few minutes to grind the chickpeas into a perfect paste. Just garnish it and serve it with fresh pita. Not just hummus, you can also use the wet grinding jar to prepare batter for idlis, dosas and vadas. Get fresh batter within a few minutes. Now let's make some chutney to go with the idlis and dosas. The smallest grinding jar is great for grinding small quantities. You can get coconut chutney, mint chutney and different varieties of chutneys in a jiffy. And not just chutneys, with this grinding jar you can also prepare garlic and ginger paste. Wasn't that amazing? Along with these awesome features, Preethi Mystic is designed with a 3D airflow technology to keep the mixer grinder cool. This also increases the life of the motor and it comes with a 2-year warranty. So, choose Preethi Mystic for your kitchen. You won't be disappointed, it's my guarantee.